at the Paramar Center, and great, another Kone mod. Yippee. So fun. Great. Well, at least they're unlocked. I don't know, let's see, are these traction or hydro? It might be EcoDiscs. I hope not. You know what? They didn't make them EcoDiscs. That would have been the ultimate sin. So I'll at least give them that. I mean, okay, the mod's not horrible, I'll be honest. But, oh, come on. I was really hoping for original Montgomerys. We are in the Quad Cities. This is Montgomery land. But it's also Kone land, and they definitely did their rounds here. Here's your pin. Anyway. That will be it. I guess they just sit open. Alright, anyway, that's it.